Good morning. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, today is another what I eat in a day. You guys' favorite videos, my favorite videos to make. I have groceries, but I feel like I'm still like missing things. Like tomorrow I'm gonna do like a whole reset, but I'm just kind of work with what I got. There's food in there, so I'm gonna just be kind of putting some stuff together and trying to make it work. I'm trying to figure out what I want for breakfast. I've been on like an oatmeal kick, but I didn't make any yesterday. I got this, one, I just like making oats, but I got these overnight oats from Oatsome, and I like these. No oats today. I think I'm going to make my little pesto, sun-dried tomatoes, eggs situation. And I know I have avocado. I think I have a little avocado left. But I want some meat. I'm out of turkey bacon. We do have regular bacon, but the protein is not very high. So I think I'm gonna go with like some deli. I got some deli sliced meat. So I think I'm gonna just like that up on the pan and slap that on. Yeah, I'm gonna put some stuff together. Oh! Look at this little piece of avocado. Right, breakfast is served. Now listen, don't come for me in my little tablespoon of, oh babe, give me that guacamole. Aha! Babe went to Chipotle. Okay, because I had literally a scoop of avocado because my other one is hard as a rock, so I need to leave this out of the refrigerator. I was trying my best to spread that little pinch. I'm gonna pop this on there. Just a little bit of avocado on there, or guacamole. This is what I'm going to eat, and then I'm just gonna have it with some water. I did cook my eggs slightly too long because I was distracted. And so I don't have a runny yolk. But you see, I did take off my shirt because the pesto be popping in the pan. Just keep that in mind. Don't wear a good shirt or protect yourself because the pesto be going crazy. I'm gonna eat this and then we're going to the gym. All right, look how I'm feeling today. I need some caffeine. I got the Celsius. I'm gonna try out the Oasis vibe. I haven't had this one yet. And then one of my favorite ones from them is the sparkling lemon lime. So I just got this one. I'll have it for maybe tomorrow if I need it. Prickly pear and lime. Oh, that's good. I dig it. I dig it. All right, let's go hit cardio and legs. Back from the gym. I've actually been back for a while, but I was on my phone, I showered, skincare, all of that's good stuff. And now it's time to eat. I know the only protein I have right now, I do have shrimp and I have tuna. But I'm craving tacos, so I think I'm going to make some shrimp tacos, but I want it Asian style. I also don't have tortillas. We're gonna make our own. We're gonna make our own because I feel like it's not that tough, and I watched a couple videos on TikTok. Like there's literally only 5 ingredients: flour, baking powder, salt, butter, water. And of course I have all of those things, but this makes like a big batch and I don't need that. So I'm gonna kind of do some math here, and I'm gonna try to make a third of the original recipe. I'll put it all down in the description box in case you wanna make your own tortillas. Start with the tortillas because they have to sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then I have to roll them out, and then they have to sit again for another 10 minutes. And then while that's going, I'll make the salsa that I'm gonna put on top of the tacos, and then I also thaw out the shrimp. Let's make lunch. Like, are you kidding me? Look at this meal, okay? Let's taste this because like the tortilla is so soft. It's so good. I will say with the shrimp, just cook your shrimp regular. Don't put it in the soy sauce because I mix like the soy sauce and all of that stuff. They ditch that part and just cook your shrimp how you normally cook it. This cucumber salad, it's still fire, but I just think the shrimp is a little bit too strong. Have this with Pepsi Zero, Rada Dr. Pepper. I actually did find the caffeine-free Dr. Pepper. This, I don't think it's caffeine-free, but whatever. I don't really like Pepsi, but I need something. You know, some meals just need something other than water. So, Pepsi Zero, got my tacos. Yeah, make this. Make this. All right, I'm back and we got the final meal of the day. I didn't want to go with just plain old basic tuna, so I decided to make some little tuna patties. I don't think I've ever made tuna patties before, but you know, thought I would switch it up. And then I'm just having it on a bed of arugula. I didn't have any fresh lime, so I used like lime juice. I put on a little bit of truffle oil, salt, pepper, and that's pretty much all I did with it. Tuna patty. You can kind of switch it up with what you put inside. Like you can make your normal tuna and then add in either some breadcrumbs or some flour. I decided to do, you know, some bell peppers, onions, and I did spring onions and red onions. Did a little bit of Parmesan, and then just like 2 tablespoons of flour just to bind it, and then an egg. So it did end up being like a little bit waterier. Most of the time when people make tuna patties, like they can actually smash it in their hands. But I didn't want to put too much flour in this. So I just kind of scooped it in the pan and made them thinner. That way it was easier to crisp up. So these are like thinner patties. Wait, this is actually like really good. Maybe you want to try it. Something else to add with the tuna patties, you can of course put some type of sauce with it. Like if I could make like a dill sauce, that would be really good. Ooh, I should put dill in it. I should put dill inside, but if I had like a Greek, I would definitely make like a Greek yogurt and dill type of sauce to put on top. That would have been good. Or if you got tzatziki, or you can make like a garlic aioli to put with it. But as I mentioned, my kitchen, my fridge is limited right now until I go grocery shopping tomorrow. So super high protein. This is 40 grams of protein for these. Or seafood in general is like the easiest way to get like tons of protein and not a lot of extra calories, you know? That's a wrap on this video, on this full day of eating. I will make sure to put recipes down below, or at least put ingredients, because I wasn't really measuring anything. But anything that I did measure, of course, I'll put that down below. So check the description box. And thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video.